potassium cyanide compound. This potassium cyanide is a ionic compound, so it can be dissociated to K plus and Cn minus ions. So Cn minus or the cyanide group is a ambident nucleophile. It is an ambident nucleophile, and that's why it can join two alkyl group from both the sides, from carbon and from nitrogen. Okay, from carbon and from nitrogen. But the carbon-carbon bond is more stronger bond compared to the carbon-nitrogen bond, and that's why it gives corresponding alkyl cyanide plus Kx. Plus Kx is formed. Okay, so cyanide compound is formed, alkyl cyanide gets obtained. Then we have discussed alkyl halide reacts with corresponding AgCN, silver cyanide. We know that the silver cyanide, this is a covalent compound. This is a covalent compound. So bond between the silver and cyanide carbon is a covalent bond. It is a strong bond, so it remains as it is. So nitrogen is available for bonding, and that's why from nitrogen side the bonding takes place. So it gives alkyl isocyanide plus silver halide. Alkyl isocyanide plus silver halide. Okay. याचं जे रिझन आहे, एक दिस इज a covalent bond, this is a ionic compound, this is a covalent compound. ओके, covalent compound आहे आणि हे ionic compound आहे. याचं आयोनायझेशन होऊ शकतं, याचं जसं आयोनायझेशन होऊ शकत नाही. Ag+ आणि Cn- असं आयोनायझेशन आपण करू शकत नाही, कारण कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड आहे, स्ट्रॉंग बॉन्ड आहे सिल्वर आणि कार्बन मध्ये, त्यामुळे फक्त नायट्रोजन अवेलेबल आहे. दॅट्स व्हाय इट गिव्स अल्काइल isocyanide. Okay, then we have also discussed the alkyl group, alkyl halide, when reacts with the corresponding is potassium nitride. So KNO2. Then again KNO2 is a ionic compound. This is an ionic compound. So it can be ionized to K plus and NO2 minus. So it gives R. Then this bond is break down, so oxygen is available for bonding. So O N double bond O is formed plus Kx. So nitride compound is formed, alkyl nitride, alkyl nitrates. So if we have taken methyl chloride, then it gives methyl nitride, methyl nitride. Then again we have discussed alkyl halide reacts with the AgNO2. AgNO2. Then what happens? This bond between this argentum and oxygen is a covalent bond. So oxygen is not available for bonding. So available is the nitrogen. Nitrogen is available. Nitrogen available. That's why it gives corresponding R. Then N double bond O, O minus, RNO2. Means nitroalkanes are formed. RNO2 plus AgX plus AgX is formed. So we have discussed last lecture all these reactions. Okay. Then next we have to discuss now next reaction. That next reaction will be formation of primary amines. So about the formation of primary amines. So reaction with alcoholic ammonia. Reaction with alcoholic ammonia. So Rx means alkyl halide. When this alkyl halide is reacts with the alcoholic solution of ammonia, so NH2, स्प्लिट करून आपण एक कंपाउंड लिहू. अल्कोहोलिक. Under pressure, this reaction is carried out under pressure. Under pressure reaction होते. Why this reaction is carried out under pressure? Because this is a gas. Ammonia is a gas. So reaction carried out under pressure. On heating, it gives. What it gives? Primary amine RNH2. RNH2 plus HX. RNH2 means primary amine. This is called as primary amine. NH2 functional group is there. NH2 functional group means primary amine. NH functional group means secondary amine, and N functional group means tertiary amine. So examples now. This is general reaction. Then examples now. Suppose the example is alkyl halide we have taken now. Suppose CH3, CH2, Br. What is the name of this compound? We know that this is called as ethyl bromide. This is ethyl bromide or bromoethane. When this bromoethane is heated with alcoholic solution of ammonia, under pressure reaction is carried out. Under pressure, what will happen? So, yes, what will be happen? It gives CH3, CH2, NH2. This is called as ethylamine plus HBr plus HBr is formed. Okay, this is called as ethylamine. Or IPLC name of ethylamine, we have discussed it later on, but here it is called as ethanamine. Ethanamine. There will be two carbon atoms, and two carbon atom parent alkane name is ethane. So on ethane, now suppose this is ethane plus amine. So E gets removed, and by adding the amine word, so name is ethanamine. Ethanamine. This is the IUPAC name, and ethylamine, this is common name or trivial name. Okay. Then next we have to discuss now another example. Suppose CH3, CHCl, CH3. What is the name of this compound? This is called as isopropyl chloride. When reacts with alcoholic solution of ammonia, so on heating, under pressure, what happens? It gives CH3, CH3, then chlorine or halogen is replaced by NH2 plus HCl is obtained. So this is the formation of primary amines. Formation of primary amines reaction. So in this halogen atom is replaced by which group? It is NH2 group. Okay. So halogen atom is replaced by the NH2 group. NH2 group ने halogen atom replace होता है. So this is also the type of substitution reaction. This is the type of substitution reaction. Okay. So this is the formation of primary amine reaction. Okay. So this is also the substitution reaction. So this is primary amine. What is the name of this compound? Its name is now isopropyl amine. It is isopropyl amine. Isopropyl amine. Name of this compound is isopropyl amine. Okay, this is isopropyl amine or IUPAC name 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. So name is propane 2-amine. Propane 2-amine is our IUPAC name. So propane 2-amine. Propane 2-amine. Okay. And 2 carbon atom NH2 is attached here. That's why its name is propane 2-amine. It is propane 2-amine. Okay. So we can also prepare the primary amines by using the alkyl halides. We can prepare alcohols from alkyl halides. We can prepare cyanides from alkyl halides. We can prepare isocyanides from alkyl halides. We can prepare the nitrite from the alkyl halides, and we can also prepare the nitroalkane from the alkyl halide. And last one, we can also prepare the primary amines from the alkyl halides. Okay. Then also next reaction is there. Formation of ether is there, formation of ester is also there. Okay, we can also prepare the ether compound and also the ester compound. Okay, so next reaction we have to discuss now, that is formation of ester. This is a very important reaction. First ether, so formation of ether and then ester. Formation of ethers formation. This is also called as Williamson's synthesis. This is called as Williamson's synthesis. Very important reaction for the exam. Formation of ethers. So alkyl halide is there, means RX is there. This is alkyl halide. When this alkyl halide reacts with the sodium alkoxide. What is sodium alkoxide? Means NaOR dash. This is called as sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Sodium and alkoxide. Alkoxide means RO. That is called as alkoxide. Okay, RO. Suppose OCH3 is there. It is called as methoxide. If OC2H5 is there, it is called as ethoxide. Then propoxide, butoxide, like that. So general name is alkoxide. When the oxygen is attached to any alkyl group, it is called as alkoxide. Okay, understood? It is called as alkoxide. So alkyl halide is there, and alkyl halide when heating with the sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. So name of this compound is sodium alkoxide. Then what happens? This is the negative part. Okay. This is sodium is positive part. This is negative part. So negative part gets attacked on the alkyl group, and then X minus is there, and that X minus combines with Na plus. So Na plus and X minus combines and it forms corresponding sodium halide. Then alkyl group here attached to OR. So ROR dash, that is called as ether. We know that how the ether gets represented. That is ROR dash. That is called as ether. Okay. So this is ether. So ether can be prepared from this reaction. So this is general reaction. Okay. So from alkyl halide we can prepare the corresponding ether. This is called as alkyl halide. Okay. Then example, suppose. First example, suppose alkyl halide we have taken, that is CH3Br. CH3Br, that is called as methyl bromide. Methyl bromide reacts with sodium ethoxide. NaOC2H5. This is called as sodium. Na means sodium and C2H5 and O. It is called as ethoxide because oxygen is attached to ethyl group. Then what is the product? Yes. What is the product? Yes, unmute yourself and tell me what is the product. Yes, anybody know? Anybody know the product? Yes. Okay. So on heating, it gives, yes, it gives CH3O, C2H5, CH3O, C2H5, CH3O, C2H5 plus NaBr, plus NaBr is formed. Sodium bromide is formed. What is the name of this ether? What is the name? It is ethyl group. This is methyl group. So by alphabetical order, it is called as ethyl. E is earlier. Ethyl मतलब E अगोदर आहे. Methyl मतलब M नंतर आहे अल्फाबेट्स मध्ये. येतात ना अल्फाबेट्स तुम्हाला इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स. ethyl, methyl, ether. येतच असतील सर्वांना. त्याशिवाय इथपर्यंत आलेत का तुम्ही? ethyl, methyl, ether. And IUPAC name. IUPAC name नंतर आहे आपल्याला या चॅप्टर मध्ये पाहायचं आपल्याला इथर. आपण अल्कोहोल फिनॉल सायमल्टेनियस स्टडी करतोय आणि ते इथर आहे ते नंतर आहे आपल्याला. आपण नोमेनक्लेचर पाहिलेलं आहे इथर. What is the name? It is called as lower alkyl group is methyl group. Higher alkyl group is ethyl group. So higher alkyl group is considered to be alkoxide part. Okay. What is the name? No. So its name is methoxy. Lower alkyl group is considered to be alkoxy part. So methoxy ethane. Name is methoxy ethane. Alkoxy alkane. General name is alkoxy alkane. Lower alkyl group is considered to be alkoxy part. Higher alkyl group is considered to be alkane part. So methoxy ethane is the product. Methoxy ethane. Okay. Then next we have to discuss another example now. Another example. Suppose here CH3, CH2, Cl. What is the name of this compound? This is called as ethyl chloride. This is called as ethyl chloride. When this ethyl chloride reacts with NaO, then here suppose again ethyl group. So NaOCH5, this is called as sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. Then which is the product? CH3, CH2 means ethyl group. CH3, CH2, O. Then C2H5. Okay. Or C2H5, C2H5O, C2H5 diethyl ether. So this is symmetrical ether or simple ether. So its name is diethyl ether. And we know very well the IUPAC name. So it is two ethyl groups are there. So one ethyl group considered to be alkoxy part. So it's methoxy, and another ethyl group is considered to be alkane part. So its name is ethoxyethane. Ethoxyethane. And byproduct form, that is sodium chloride, NaCl. NaCl is the byproduct. NaCl is the byproduct. Okay. So this is the reaction. Formation of ethers by using Williamson synthesis. The scientist name reaction is there. Williamson's synthesis. Remember it. Williamson synthesis. By this method, we can prepare what we have to prepare: simple ethers as well as मिक्स इथर्स दोन्ही पण बनवू शकतो. ओके, आता हे पहा, हे काय आहे? मिथाइल इथाइल मिथाइल इथर काय आहे? मिक्स इथर आहे. हे काय आहे? दोन्हीकडे इथाइल ग्रुप आहे. This is called as simple ether or symmetrical ether. We know that ethers are classified into two types, simple ethers and simple ether is also called as symmetrical ether and mixed ether or unsymmetrical ether. When the two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atom are same, then it is called as the simple ether. When the two alkyl groups attached to the divalent oxygen atom are different, then it is called as the mixed ether. So by this method, we can prepare simple as well as mixed ethers. So that's why this synthesis is very important. From alkyl halide we can prepare ether compound. Okay, very important compound. Ether molecules are very important. कुठले ether compounds जे आहेत ते खूप important आहेत, खूप commercially important आहेत. That's why this is very important reaction. This is scientist name reaction, so we have to remember very well. That is Williamson synthesis. In exam also there will be a question. Write a note on Williamson's synthesis. Then you have to prepare the ethers from alkyl halide. So formation of ether is there by using the alkyl halide. Okay. The next reaction we have to discuss now. Formation of esters. Now formation of esters. Now in this formation of ethers, what happens? The hydrogen atom is replaced by X is replaced by which group? First Rx is there. Rx is converted into ROR. So instead of R, which group is there? OR. OR group is there. Okay. So halogen atom is replaced by OR. Is alkoxy part. Alkoxy group will replace it. Check it out. X Rx कशात conversion झालाय? ROR. ROR. Okay. So in place of X, which group is there? OR group is there. So this OR group, which is called as alkoxy group, So halogen atom is substituted by the alkoxy group. Okay. Halogen atom is substituted by alkoxy group. So this is formation of ethers. Now next reaction we have to discuss. Formation of esters. Esters prepare करायचे आपल्याला. Esters. How we can prepare the esters from alkyl halide? How we can prepare the esters from the alkyl halide? Esters आपल्याला prepare करायचे. कसे esters आपण prepare करणार आता ते पाहू. Okay, how we can prepare esters from the alkyl halides? Esters prepare करायचे. So this is ester formation reaction. So in this case Rx alkyl halide is there. Then this alkyl halide reacts with silver salt of carboxylic acid. AgO, C double bond O, R. Silver salt of carboxylic acid. Suppose this is carboxylic acid. R, C double bond O, O, H. This is called as carboxylic acid. When this carboxylic acid is reacts with the corresponding silver hydroxide, then this OH and H combines to form H2O and it gives the corresponding silver salt of carboxylic acid. That is AgO C double bond OR, AgO C double bond OR or R C double bond O, OAg. So hydrogen atom of the carboxylic acid is replaced by the silver metal. That's why it is called as the silver salt of carboxylic acid, or simply we known as silver carboxylate carboxylates. Its name is silver carboxylate or silver salt of carboxylic acid. Silver salt of carboxylic acid. Then what happens? Let's on heating. Produce ester molecule. What is the ester molecule? R as it is, then oxygen, then C double bond O, then R. Okay? Plus AgX plus AgX silver halide. So alkyl halide reacts with silver salt of carboxylic acid, then it gives ester. Ester on the functional group is ester, R C double bond O O R. This is general representation of any ester. Okay, this is ester molecule. So from alkyl halide we can prepare ester. Alkyl halide we can prepare ester. आपण ester बनवू शकतो. Okay, we can prepare ester from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide we can prepare ester. Then example, suppose example alkyl halide, suppose CH3 Cl methyl chloride when reacts with silver salt of acetic acid. This compound, suppose CH3